All I gotta say is this engine has really put some more pep in my step. What's up? Ooh, it's a good day, a good day. I'm excited to show y'all something cool. Hold on a second. There it is. Now I'm ready to get into this video. Go check it out. Check it out. There's some cool stuff over there. The reason I'm excited, it's got delivery today. I got what is going to be going underneath the hood right there. And what is going to be making them gears shift right there. The engine and the transmission showed up this morning. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm going to dig into that here shortly. But I'm going to give you an update on the 1969 Firebird Labor Love build. Show you what I've got done so far. Some more pieces that come in. Then we'll dig into that engine. All right. So like always, thanks for watching Turnin and Burn, #1 channel, all things blue collar. And welcome to another Firebird Friday. All right, in the very last video you saw, she was flipped upside down, getting undercoating put on. Oh, and she looks so much better. I've been doing a little bit of work. I've been really busy at work, so I haven't been able to do as much to the Firebird as I wanted to. But I'm gonna give you a quick update before we get over there, check the engine out. I'm excited. I haven't even unwrapped it yet. I don't even know what it looks like, but I'm gonna show you a little bit of the car before we get over there and more stuff of what is to come. So I flipped her back over, as you can see, and pretty much this isn't a final coat of primer or anything like that, but I wanted to get everything one color, get all the primer done so I can start seeing, you know, I got areas in here they're gonna need some work where they're you know, need a little bit of finesse, stuff like that, but that way everything's kind of one color, looking good. OCD kicks in a lot, so that's kind of another reason why. Like I showed y'all, the inside, she's looking very pretty. All with the undercoating on there. Remember, that's all going to be Dynamat of some sort on here, but still looking very nice. Same with the ceiling, the roof, whatever you want to call it. Come around here, I've been working on the front area. This is the only part that does not have any primer on it right now, because there was some bad spots that I had to do a little bit of welding. I had to do some welding in here with some bad rust. I fiberglassed it, kind of same in here. There's some bad spots. Did some welding and some fiberglass work. So today I'm actually going to get in there and sand that down, try to get all that done. I will probably not bore you with that, because obviously sanding is not something fun to watch on the YouTube. But anyway, that's what she's looking like right now. I'm going to show you a few parts that I got in and kind of some stuff so you can look forward to what's going to happen on the channel soon on Firebird Fridays. So let me go over here and I'm going to show you some of these other items. So if you've been watching the channel, you know I'm going to put a 4-link suspension in there. I have everything laid out right here, ready to go. And hopefully that will be one of the next videos. I'm trying to get to that. But what I went ahead and did is, when you have this 4-link, it's a weld-in piece, and you have the pieces that they weld in here. I have to look for them right now, but you got all your little pieces right there that you have to weld in. But instead, I went ahead and opted to get a new rear end. I got this KRE, and I put her together. She's ready to go, and pretty much all those pieces that I was just showing you right here, they're already welded. Everything's welded in the correct spot, so I don't have to do any of that. I was kind of excited. I wanted to show y'all how to do that and how to weld it in, but I kind of wanted a new rear end. As you can see, this one over here, it's the original one. She'll probably be up for sale soon, but I mean, just sitting here leaking. She's seen better days. I mean, this is from 1969 itself, so I went ahead and went with the KRE rear end, which I think I'm going to be pleased with. It's going to make the install so much quicker as well. So that is something I'm excited to show y'all. Really excited to do that. Excited to get this thing back on wheels so I get the motor put in there. A few other items here I'm going to show you that you can look forward to. As you've seen, when I put the trunk in, the trunk panel, this piece right here was totally rusted out. So purchased a new one. Came from National Parts Depot. They don't sponsor me or anything. Just shout out. I got these parts super quick. So far I'm looking at everything. Everything seems to match up really good. Just need to get that installed. Probably do a little video on that because I'm gonna install those at the same time as these. This is for the fuel tank. These get welded on. As you see on the old one right there, they were all rusted out as well, but that's where they're gonna go underneath the car. I totally forgot that we needed to do that, but I bought those. They look really well. I just need to measure off of that one and get them welded on there. So those videos will be coming up really soon on the channel. So sorry if I'm boring you. Let's get into the middle of what you clicked on this video for. Let's go look at that 455. I'm excited to go unbox this. Come with me. So of course I left my drill at home, and that's how that needs to come off. But you know what, we got the equalizer. We'll get it off somehow. Drill? We don't need no stinking drill. All I gotta say is this engine has really put some more pep in my step. Holy smoke, she's beautiful. Beautiful. Look at that. Brought the headers out. Obviously they're not hooked up, but I just had to see what she would look like. Wow. Look at that. You can see yourself in there. And over here was the other goodie box right here. This is the 700R transmission. That's what I wanted to go with. And everything else is there with it. We got, everything was packaged really well. We got everything from the header gaskets, the header bolts, and all that stuff. Everything is there. Good to go. I just need to get my booty in gear to get her installed. But I have to give a shout out to Blue Monkey Performance. They're the ones that built this animal right behind me. I actually went and online, I was doing a lot of research. I was actually looking at getting like a 383 stroker or something like that. I was looking at a turnkey crate engine that had a transmission, everything just ready to go, where I could just throw it in there. But the more that I thought about it, the more I read, and I just said, you know what, I'm gonna have this go forever. She needs to have the Pontiac power. And I said, and if she's gonna have the Pontiac power, she might as well have the biggest and baddest there is. So we're with the 4, 5, 5. But I'm gonna put all the specs and everything down in the below in the little section down there. Also gonna put Blue Monkey's Performance, all their stuff down in there. You can also see their website right here. I'm very pleased with this. Everything was there. He actually called me on the phone. That's what I was getting to earlier. Put a bunch of emails out, different people, and he actually called me on the phone. We talked, told him what I wanted, told him that it's gonna be like a weekend type driver, that I'm gonna be going out just on the weekends. I'm not really gonna be drag racing, but I do want some pep when I put that gas pedal down. I wanted an automatic transmission just because I just want to kind of be able to chill, and I wanted to have that little rough idle, that whoop, 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 whoop. So that's what he built for me. So everything will be down there. That's it. I gotta get to work. This has just breathed more life into me. I'm excited to get this car going, get this engine in there, because right now she's just sitting over there all alone. Needs a front end put in, needs a rear end put in, needs a 4-link put in, need to finish the bodywork. And I'm not getting that done making this video here, but I'm probably gonna go ahead and I'm gonna rub this engine just a little bit longer, and I'm gonna get back to work. So again, check it out, TFB Culture, go check it out. These shirts are awesome. I put a lot of just my ideas and stuff into them. I'm not gonna call it merch. I'm not one of those YouTube merch guys. This is a collection. This is something that means a lot. I just want to get out there in the world. It's kind of something that I've been dreaming of for a little bit now. So check that out as well. And I'll keep rambling on like I always do. Thank you for tuning in to Firebird Fridays on Turnin and Burnin', #1 channel, all things blue collar. And I'm not dragging up, but I'm gonna roll on up out of here to go work on her. Peace. This work has been pretty busy, and I'm just trying to get in what I can. Is it just me? There's a smudge on it. Let me fix that. Oh, there we go. Much better. So right now, there still is a smudge. We're just gonna keep going. Anyways, right here, she's flipped back over. Let's redo that whole thing.